Okay guys, so today we're going to make another version of our Chadon Beni Green Sauce. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to roast 3 seasoning peppers, 3 garlic, and a half of a jalapeno pepper. Now I've removed the seeds because I don't want it too spicy. So half of a jalapeno pepper, our 3 seasoning peppers, and our 3 garlic. We're going to roast this. Oven is already preheated, 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes.